Very good afternoon, friends. Last week, last week, in a conference, the CEO of eBay has addressing to the many company CEO. There, he was telling, quote, if you don't have an AI strategy in your company, you are going to die in the world that is coming, unquote. Means the AI will be a very, very essential tool for all the organizations, and we are here discussing about the thermal power plants. Again, I am very much thankful to the organizers to choose such an futuristic topic and deliberation on that. I am from the power plant side, and just now we are hearing from Madam, who is an expert on AI side. So this platform we can utilize as how better way we can implement this AI in our organization, especially in the thermal power plants. Friends, just this will be my content of discussion. I am presently from a company, Duragen Energy Private Limited, so I'll just tell about brief about that. Then AI technology and its applications. Already we have heard a lot of things, and then role of AI to transform the power sector. In Indian power industries, how much AI implication or applications has been done, advantage, area of concern, and presently how much AI implementation as our company can help to the power industries, that we'll discuss, and the way forward. This Duragen Energy, very few words I will tell that we formed this company is a very nascent stage. In the January this year, we have formed this startup company by all the ex-professionals from power sector, energy sector, and mainly the aim to sustain sustainability and productivity and some value-added products. We have a very large number of professionals with us, 4 verticals: energy management verticals, environment verticals, digital transformation and automation verticals, which is related to today's discussion, and another is consultancy and audit. So now in this topic, that artificial intelligence, already we have heard about that. Lot of things. Artificial intelligence in the broad way is it refers to the ability to a machine which can exhibit a human-like intelligence, and this AI comprises of artificial neural network, machine learning, deep learning, and data analytics. This artificial intelligence started from 1950s, and first funding has been given in 1956. But after 56, there was turmoil, lot of ups and downs. But in the 2012, when this deep learning came into picture, then it has a lot of confidence, and a lot of work was going on in the around worldwide, and a lot of fundings are coming in that. So that is the background of this artificial intelligence. But the requirement we are discussing here is about our power plant. The artificial intelligence is the intelligence of this machine or software. Already we have discussed a lot of things on that. There are many applications, and day to day in small mobile to medical science, and very much broad way we are in entertainment world. We are seeing the applications of artificial intelligence. Now, coming directly to the power sector, how we can use this artificial intelligence. Actually, when the thermal power plants are facing some challenges, these challenges came from that introduction of renewable energies. So when the renewable energies has come, so that time we have seen that whatever the technical minimum operation and all these things will be a very tough operation and complex operation. Whatever the control systems are designed, that control systems are not capable to control this conventional control, are not capable to do the proper control of these parameters. So when we are talking for 40% technical minimum without oil support, so that time also we can see the variation of mainstream pressure, mainstream temperature, and the static portion of the pressure parts, all these things. So that time we have seen that yes, some intelligence or some artificial intelligence is required, and around the world, yes, it is available, and we have seen that some adaptive control over above our present advanced control, we can adopt that and we can control these process parameters very effectively. So that is one of the area. So handling complexity of the control system. Then asset management. Asset management, that whatever in this swing of this power, this load generation, so there are a lot of fatigue, so your breakdown will be increased. So how proactively we can do the maintenance, so that our asset will be available, healthy all the times. So this asset utilization is one of the major area. Other than that, there are security and integrity area, that also AI can be used. So these are the areas. So AI can help us to tackle these challenges in a effective way. So predictive equipment failure and reducing downtime is one of the area which is now need of the hour. Assisting asset management with automated root cause analysis. So you'll get that automatically your root cause analysis will come to you, so you can focus your maintenance on that area. Then supporting complex control system or automation, enhancing human and process safety, and smart grid management, already it has discussed, and cyber threat. Cyber threat also we can prevent from this AI. So this predictive maintenance, by detecting the anomalies, that we are taking the current sensor based data and we are feeding this data to the digital twin or digital replica, and they are continuously we are comparing that, and whatever their anomalies that we are predicting, and this with this anomaly detection, very early stage we are predicting this, yes, that is there, and yes, there is a catch on that, there is a chances of false alarm. For that, our maintenance engineer has to be very careful about what the measurement, what the input sensors we are taking, because AI also taking that sensor for their digital twin, so that measurement point has to be very accurate and reliable. With that, this type of comparison, we can detect the fault, and we can well ahead of the breakdown, we can do the proactive maintenance. So it is advanced to the predictive maintenance, we can do the proactive maintenance to this digital twin. Here, the severity of the problem, description of the fault, then processing method, everything will be coming to that real-time visualization and monitoring this thing through the digital twin. So everything is done on that real-time mode, and we can get this data. And I am giving you an example that in NTPC 2016, one discussion with three reputed OEMs who are doing this type of AI support. We have discussed with that, and a catastrophic failure of three stations were captured, but we don't share the data which project it was not given. But the data of earlier 6 months data and earlier 1 year data we have shared with that agencies, and you can be surprisingly low with their modeling and detection. They are coming out that before 6 months this could have avoided with their prediction. So such type of tools are available, and such type of analysis can help our availability and downtime. Safety and security, these are one of the area, and some of the Indian stations also adopted this AI along with this smart CCTV camera and your drones and your vehicle movement monitoring, the height, then PP violation with the smart helmet and all these things. These are already implemented in 1 and 2 stations. And that is also giving a very good safety awareness and your security also. This area actually that we are discussing that now your regulation is coming for net zero. So we have to do the proper control of all the parameters. So your coordinate control, steam atom temperature control, then SOx, NOx control, and all these things are very stringent now. So with that, so now we are, whatever you see in the control system, in 90s, 99, you must be hearing about Dr. Shiv Kumar of BHEL. He has invented one, he has patented, that is your state variable control. That time superheater, reheater, state variable control was very popular. Then afterwards, there are a lot of changes, and then people try to control more effectively. So that time, some anticipatory control model of Siemens and Honeywell has come. So now there are advanced stage. There is a adaptive AI control. This adaptive AI control, it will sit on the top of that any control model, and whatever this set point will be set from that model, it will be continuously superimposed of that set point. And there you can say the self-tuning AI platform will increase the RAM rate, startup time, reliability, the thermal stress, that is more important, and it will be addressed by all these things. And there are two things, this model can be on premises or on cloud. So that is one thing that I will come in that whatever that your disadvantage or some doubt in our mind, so that is coming in that. So for that we are at India level, at our power sector in India, we are not available still now, not able to avail all the facilities here, but very piecemeal basis, some of the applications are already there. So Indian industries, the real-time safety violation detection are there. What I am telling, it is already there in the night, day and night, 24/7 basis. Then automated anomaly detection system of asset through drone. There mainly heights. Then your ASDIC monitoring, any defect in ASDICs, all these things are monitoring through that. Then AI ML based advanced pattern recognition for predictive maintenance. So already some of the major organizations like Tata Power, then Rosa Power, they are already using this advanced pattern recognition. it is having a very big for power and for AI, and they are using this technology. And this technology actually, what they are telling, it is very advanced stage of alarming. When DCS alarm is giving as a static value of DCS alarm is there. However, every time this advanced pattern recognition is making equipment-wise generating the patterns, and whenever the data of this measured value and this AI predicted model value is there in a deviation, and this deviation is more than the threshold, immediately it will give a anomaly, or you can say it's a alert. From this alert, if you attack that, you can see that in one of the incident, one ID fan, normally what we have seen, the ID fan bearing temperature high alarm is 95 degree, whereas in one of the Tata Power I visit, that this ID fan detect the alarm at the time when it is crossing 65 degree. So that time, our maintenance engineer has got a window and attack on that equipment, and you can save the money and save the breakdown. So in that way, that company is daily at the 24 hours basis, one report they have generated, avoidable cost on breakdown. And if you see this avoidable cost and breakdown is so much, so this, if you put your this AI technology or APR, your payback period is only 2 years. So this way it is there. Then what we have discussed our digital twin. So this digital twin now is based on boiler, turbine, everywhere you can make a digital twin and continuous train the digital twin, and from that digital twin it will get the feedback to the boiler, and it is very very useful for combustion tuning, combustion optimization, as well as your, when you are doing a good combustion control and combustion tuning, so your emission level and all these things will be come down automatically. Mill dual digital twin is very effective, and HP piping also. Then this, some of the power station already using this AI based boiler tube early detection system. So whatever that ASLD we are using, that acoustics tube leak detection system, along with a small AI, we can validate that, and we can only detect the boiler tube leakages. But it is tube leakages may be there, but it will save that secondary damages. So in the early stage, you can attend the tube leakage, and we can save the secondary leakage. Then hotspot detection in switchyard with this smart AI and your CCTV cameras. Then another area in India we are using that uh, cold stock cold stock management and the firing, the instantaneous firing and sprinkling through that smart AI based cameras. Then training module also, AR augmented reality and virtual reality based training module for particularly during the overloading time, particularly this VR module of turbine. It is very very useful. And the cyber risk assessment and control, this is also a part of AI, which can detect any time any penetration, and whatever the cyber risks are there, that also can be controlled and prevent by this AI. So as we are saying, our company also offering the such type of asset management through AIML, predictive maintenance package, security and safety, online hotspot detection, then complex auto loop tuning, cyber security awareness, then IoT based combustion customized solutions we are doing, and lot of good reputed AI vendors are already with our solution providers are along with us, and domain expert along with us. So with this, we are also having this full of domain experts with us. So way forward is that we have to adopt this AI or ML for our process optimization, asset management, conditioning monitoring. Then overall equipment effectiveness will be improved, predictive maintenance to proactive maintenance, cyber attack prevention, and your preventing losses. Continuous loss prevention has to be there, and energy management system has to be there. So this is the ultimate goal for any organization, and AI and ML will help us in this regard. So I think with this, thank you everybody, and thank you.